Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is a new week and another opportunity to make some money in the forex market. Today I will be showing you some of the trade that I'm already in and what I'm expecting from most of the pairs this week in the forex market. So this is AUDUSD. This is a trade that I entered last week. So I entered this trade from here. The market played around and as you can see we are moving down. So this was a counter trend line entry, just a break and a retrace, and I was able to enter this trade. As you can see, this is a 200 plus take profit on this pair. So my target is around 211 pips in this pair only, and as you can see the market is moving down. If you go to the 4 hours, this is how it looks. So I am expecting this market to reach here. This is a major support in the chart. So the market might reach here and decide to go up, or it might break. So as it stands, I have already moved my stop loss past break even. So I'm not risking anything again in this market. I will just leave it, anything that want to happen, but I will just be monitoring it. If I see any form of any rough movement here, then according to my trading plan, I might decide to close it, but I am definitely sure that this market will reach here. So for this week, if you are trading AUDUSD or any other USD pair, I'm expecting it to be bearish, maybe GBP USD, Euro USD. And another entry, I might find another entry in this pair if I see any form of retracement, maybe a retracement like this, just something like this, or any form of retracement. I might decide to enter this market because I'm confident that this will definitely reach this support. So, but we can never tell what will happen next in the forex industry. So we just trade what we see. Then another trade is on NZDUSD. So these are the two pairs that I was able to enter last week. This is NZDUSD, the same entry pattern, break and retrace. So for this one, I wasn't able to enter it. I was supposed to enter it from here, but I wasn't looking on the chart at that time. So I entered from here. He gave me some pips, retraced back, but I was confident on my trade and I kept waiting, and we are finally coming down to our take profit. So this one is a 109 something pips take profit on this. So this is also a major support on the NZDUSD. So for this one also, if you are not yet in the trade, you can just wait for any form of retracement and scale back to the lower time frame, find an entry and then short the market down to here. Then for Euro USD, this is how the Euro USD is looking. This one is a little bit, this is the 1 hour time frame, and I would have loved to if I had entered the market from here, then I would have just hold on the market down here. But as it stands, and I'm already in the AUDUSD and the Euro USD pair, so I will not get to enter this one again. Where is my short position? If you enter from here, so this is not a good place to enter this market because as you can see, this is a kind of support. So if you are trading Euro USD for this week, first you need to relax and see the reaction from this support here. This is a minor support. So the major one is this trend line. So I'm expecting it to at least reach this trend line and finally here. But you can't neglect this little support. in this Euro USD. So what I will do for this one, I'm still looking out for an opportunity to enter to short this market, maybe something like this. Don't mind my drawing, I'm just trying to. Don't mind my drawing. So maybe a retracement like this from here, or a retracement down here. I'll just be looking out for another retracement, something like this to happen, so that I can be able to short this market. And my overall target will be here. But I will also watch out for this trend line. If I go to the 4 hour, you see that this trend line has been supporting the market for a while, so you can't ignore this. And there is another support here, a minor support here. So I feel like this market will definitely come and test here, test this center here, test here. Then if it breaks from here, then we are definitely coming down. If it breaks from here, we are definitely coming down from here. Then from here, now you can watch out for maybe a reversal to the up, a continuation to the upside, and up to this resistance here. Or if it breaks this support, then we know that the bearish movement will continue. But this is what I'm watching out for, an opportunity to short this. That depends on what the dollar index do. Again, I will go to my dollar index and check. So this is what the dollar index is, what controls most of the USD pairs. So in the dollar index, this is what we have. As you can see, the dollar index has been on a downward movement for a while now, but we are seeing a form of correction to the upside down, at least until this resistance here. There is a minor resistance here. So this resistance and this trend line, I'll be watching out here. So as long as we are below this place, I'll be watching out for the dollar index and all the other USD pay, AUDUSD, GBP-USD, EURUSD. I know they will be selling now until this DSY reaches here. Then we can see a reversal from here. It's either we reverse back and go back up, or we continue our downtrend. So this is a deciding point in this DSY, and I'll be watching it out. And this place will also determine whether I will close my trades on AUDUSD and NZDUSD. But probably before this market reaches somewhere here, which is the trend line, I believe that the two trades that I've already entered might have reached the take profit. So this is all I'm watching out for in this week. An opportunity to short the market. This is the EURUSD. For GBP-USD, this is how GBP-USD is looking. Yeah, and this trade, I really missed this trade. I was going to enter this trade, but I don't even know what happened. I didn't enter this one. This was a good entry on its own. So this would have been a good entry, and you can see this one is also coming down here. So all this space, the EURUSD and the GBP-USD, all of them I don't see any entry now. Just waiting for a form of retracement before I can enter the continuation to the downside. Or the market might decide to reverse and continue the upside movement here. So anything can happen. You just be watching out. This is also a minor support. As you can see, the market is just reacting to the support, but this is the major support here. So this will be it for this week. This is what I'm expecting, and if I was able to find any other entry in any of this pair, I will make sure I drop the video at the time I will enter the trade. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that any other time I'm dropping a trade or a video, you will be notified immediately.